out to the Torch Lake Sandbar. This year, we're doing it a little bit different at our marina. We did a dry dock slip, so they like forklift our boat in and out. So I'm getting here a lot earlier than I normally do. Normally, I just drive here whenever, get on the boat, and leave. Here, I schedule the launch, and I'm sure that they're gonna be busy later in the day, so I just kinda wanted to avoid all of that, and to do that, figured we would get out early. The marina crew has been killing it, but I'm thinking my normal view down Crystal Beach here is gonna be a little bit different since it's 9:30 in the morning and not like 10:30 or 11, but we're about to find out. Yeah, normally this is bumper to bumper, packed all the way. If you're coming here for 4th of July, no, you cannot park at all with any tires on the road. Like this Jeep, for sure will get towed or get a ticket. You have to be all the way off the pavement because it's really dangerous because people walk, and if your car is far over, then people have to walk in the road. There's lots of people, whatever, so if you're coming here, no, you have to park far off the road, as far off as you can. Ideally 4 tires on the dirt. I've already seen like 4 or 5 police officers driving, so heavy police presence too, keeping us safe. And that's it, boat's ready for me, sitting there. It's actually pretty sweet. It was a little bit of a learning curve and adjustment going from having the permanent slip to the in and out, but I like it. It also keeps the boat way nicer. What I was noticing is it's starting to get some like blisters in the fiberglass and stuff below the water line. It's just really hard on it, leaving it in the water all summer. So this is much, much better. And crazily enough, there's nobody in the river right now. Some boats ahead of us, but in an hour, this is gonna be a giant line out to the lake. I'm glad I got here early. This is good. I'm actually super surprised. The launch is not total chaos right now, but again, it is almost 10 o'clock in the morning, but it's busy but not packed. It's definitely, it's gonna fill up. It's gonna be a nice, beautiful, hot day too. It's about 10:15. Got the anchors out, pretty much in the front row here, so I would imagine this will all be filled in a few hours with boats and people.
remember. Definitely not the biggest though, but it was a good time. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share.